Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger app not working. So basically, like your Messenger app not working means you cannot open your Messenger. Right now my Messenger is open because I'm not facing this problem. But if you are facing this problem, once you try to open Messenger, it's gonna show you a notice saying Messenger not responding. So basically the first way to fix it is restart your phone, because if there is a problem with your phone, restarting it would like basically fix it. And the other thing you can do is make sure your Messenger is up to date. For that, go to your Play Store and search for Messenger and check if your Messenger is up to date like this. Right now my Messenger is up to date because there's an open button over here. But if there was an update button instead of open button, then make sure to update your Messenger, because sometimes you won't be able to access Messenger due to some glitch because it wants like you to update your Messenger. So yeah, that's basically it. Update your Messenger. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is uninstall and reinstall Messenger. Basically, like, just delete Messenger and install it. It's gonna reset all the setting of Messenger, and hopefully you should be able to access Messenger. And the other thing is turn on all the permission of Messenger. For this, hold on the Messenger icon, click on app info, and over here as it says, click on permission, and make sure to turn on all your permission on. And if it still doesn't fixes it, then what you can do is click on storage usage. Storage usage, click on clear data, click on clear. So what this is going to do is clear all the cache of Messenger and fix your problem. And after doing this, just go to permission again to check if your permissions are turned on or not. Just make sure all of these are on, and after all these are on, it should basically fix your Messenger problem. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to fix it. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.